So you may want to go ahead and share out your particular task with other people. In that case, you can go ahead and utilize a link that's related to a particular task. So for that, you need to go to your board. You can go from your pin boards, or let's say, for example, go from my boards right here, and then access that particular card right here, that is the task. And then go around onto the three dot button over here, and then you can simply go ahead and choose copy link to task. Once you do that, if others were to go ahead and then, let's say, for example, were to paste this out right here, paste this particular link and access it, then that particular task itself will be loaded. So you can see that the board is loaded and this particular task is loaded just like this. So this works for other tasks as well. So if I were to go around over here just like this, then I can go around over here onto my task maybe, and for this as well, you can actually go around over here, copy link to task, and you can share this out with others as long as they have access as well to access that particular link. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.